Now we are moving towards the question number 25 of NPO, and it runs as follows. How are the following items treated while preparing the final accounts of a club for the year ended 31st March 2019? The receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019 is given. On the receipt side, to sale of a sports material, the book value being given rupees 1,10,000. However, it has been sold for rupees 1,37,000. So you see, there is a profit of rupees 27,000 that will be transferred to the credit side of the income and expenditure account. Okay. Then payment side, by creditors for a sports material, payment made during the year to the creditors rupees 3 lakh, and again it is given by cash purchases of a sports material rupees 80,000. You see that credit purchases, the payment given to the creditors, that is the credit purchases, and cash purchases, both if added will give you the total purchases for the sports material. Then under the additional information, opening balance and closing balances are given regarding the stock of a sports material. Opening one is 1,20,000 and closing one is 1,50,000. The creditors for the sports material, the opening balance being rupees 45,000 and closing one is rupees 60,000. So how it is to be produced in the income and expenditure account? You see, as we have discussed, to a sports material consumed is to be shown on the expenditure side. Whatever payment has been made during the year, that is rupees 3 lakh. Deduct from that the opening creditors, that is rupees 45,000 are to be deducted. Then add closing creditors rupees 60,000, that will give you an amount of rupees 3,15,000. As we have discussed, that cash purchases are to be added, so we can get total purchases. So 8 cash purchases rupees 8,80,000, this will give you the 3,95,000. So the total purchases of the sports material is rupees 3,95,000, which includes credit, both credit as well as cash. Then less sports material sold at book value, that is rupees 1,10,000. This sports material has been sold out, so it has not been consumed. So this will give you, this will be deducted 2,85,000, the net result. Then add opening stock as usual 1,20,000 and less closing stock 1,50,000. That will give you an amount of rupees 2,55,000 to be shown on the expenditure side or at the outer column, in the outer column. Then by profit on sale of sports material to be shown on the credit side, because the market value or it has been sold for rupees 1,37,000. However, the book value was rupees 1,10,000. So there is a profit of 27,000 will be shown on the credit side of the income and expenditure account as an income. Then extract of the balance sheet, how things are to be shown. I have given the closing balance sheet. So on the liability side, the creditors for the sports material rupees 60,000. The closing creditors are to be shown. And stock of the sports material, that the closing stock of a sports material rupees 1,50,000 on the asset side is to be shown. That's all.